Hello, Longisa. Today is Saturday. I am in Stockton, Angel Cruz Port, where people sell food, vegetable, everything. She have bread. Yesterday, I have paycheck. I got paid, and after I pay on my bill, I have $50. So I decided to come here and to spend less than my $50. Hello, how much this?
$5.
$5.
$2.
$2.
Yeah.
Nobody eat, only me. Okay,
Oh.
I get one.
Okay.
This one inside is white, huh? White, huh? $5. Ooh, how about this? How much this? Green bean. How much a bag?
$5.
$5. Well, this is the inside corn, purple corn.
Yeah.
How much a purple corn? $5. This is purple corn, $5. This is bean, $5. $5. So,
You want more or this 20?
all this 20?
Yeah. Or this
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah, 20.
20?
I want to go home now.
Okay, 20. Okay, give me. Okay. So 20.
Right here.
So 20, 20, 25, and 22, huh? This one,
Yeah,
3?
22. Yeah.
22? Okay, let me get that.
Mà cho đâu?
So I bought all this for $32.
Đó, cho tới rồi thì cho nên này.
So that means I only can, I have $20 to save.
Tomorrow. You need
She gave me some pepper for free. It's so nice. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Same Lao. Thank you. Oh my goodness, look at this bamboo. So big. So I already got vegetable. I don't want to spend all in one area. Manglonga. Do your mom want some manglonga? This is manglonga. Oh no, it's not manglonga. Oh, it is manglonga. This is manglonga. It's very healthy. A lot of yummy vegetable. This is good with the shrimps, huh? Wow. I want to cut my own pepper. Do you want any vegetable? You have to say something. Let me take a look over here. What? Look. Papaya too. Oh, pabong.
Hi, Neil.
Hello, hi. Wow, garlic, ginger, a lot of. Oh, persimmon. This is persimmon. Wow, a lot of cucumber. Oh, jicama. My God, this is a jicama. Oh, này là miếng dầu. How much? How much this? $10. Oh. Rồi. Oh, they also have toy for the kid, and then lots of food. Wow, it smells so good. And then necklace inside. People are selling necklace. Plant. This is plant. lot of pepper they already cut. I like to cut my own pepper. Oh wow. Peanut. Peanut. Bitter maiden. This is bitter maiden. The bamboo. $8 for one bamboo. Let me ask them. Excuse me, how much this? $5? $5. So this is $5. What is this? A balut?
Balloon, yeah.
Balut? How much balut? $10. The balut is boiled $10. Then they sell papaya salad in here. And cookie. Huh? They have kapun, they have papaya, they have sticky rice, egg roll. Come on, babe. Oh, wow. Wow. She saw a lot of vendors selling different kind of the same food. Barbecue again. That's some panda. That plant is a panda plant. They're done now. This is malunggay. This is panda?
Yeah. $40.
$40?
Yeah.
Oh, panda. Oh, over there. Okay. Lots of toy for the children. Some people clean up already like this one. Cause I got here at 3 o'clock. I don't know what's that, but it looked yummy. Oh, she said that if you want more plant, come over here. $40. The problem is I might kill it, and I really don't want to kill. The sauces. Guava. $4. That's cheap for $4. Garlic for $4 is cheap. Oh. You okay? The pepper $4. Hang on, maybe need to lay down first. Wow, last time meat barbecue. Actually the kind of pepper I want. I like this kind of pepper. And then jujube. This garlic. Look at how long the lemon was. And then they sell something in here also. They cook and they sell clothes also and hat. Maybe it's a skirt. What is that? It's not cocaine. They are making papaya salad. Babe, they sell pomegranate also. Pomegranate.
Five.
5.
Yeah.
And then the cheese. Oh, chicharron for $10. Oh, and sauces. and no more buying. Thank you. Oh, sugar cane. She said she sells sugar cane and then lots of meat and then more meat. I haven't go about. Oh, I almost go about now. So angel pot is not that cheap. A bunch of pepper is $4, and she's like, it's a lot. But when I go to Richmond Farmer Market, it's like $3. The same thing. You wanna taste? What kind?
Pork.
Pork. She's going to take her pork. Oh, so sweet, so good. How much for one?
1 is 3, 2 for 5.
3 for 5.
Yeah, you want chicken? You want to try chicken?
So good. You said how much for one? I forgot.
$3.
$3. And
2 for
then
5.
2 for 5. Let me get 2, please.
You want pork or chicken?
Let me try the chicken.
I think this is chicken. Is that pork?
Pork. Good.
What would you like?
I think I like pork.
You like pork? I like pork too.
Okay.
Pork. You want me no chili, huh?
No chili, yes.
Okay. Pork. What is it? Mango or papaya? Try. Pork belly inside and the chili.
Okay, it's okay, thank you. Are you Cambodian or Lao?
Lao.
Oh, okay. It tastes like Lao. Okay. So this is how much I have. I always spend $25. So I only spend $55. I don't have 50. I borrow money from my friend who came today. I want to go to buy all. I give you discount. So I need to buy the Thai chili, but it's too expensive. So the lady gave me some of this for free. So I'm happy. I do want to drink though on the way home. Do you want some Mexican food? I think that's Mexican food. Yes or no? Oh, those are the price, by the way.
Tacos?
You want taco? And then I want drink. I order drink while he order. My friend order taco. Ooh, 100% sugar. That one I want. I order that with caramel and the paradise drink. We're gonna go and sit somewhere and eat our food to see how good it is. And before it stopped by that one drink, now it's extended to over here. If whoever want to come here and sell your stuff, you could do it. You just set up a tent. You just have to go to the next door if you knew. So now they have like this country food. Before it's only like Laos, and now they have Cambodian. Now they have like Spanish. So pretty cool. Real cool. They have more but different country food, which is very nice. Oh, they also have a lot of drink too. And then I think it's free. It's no tax. And then you will see a few like taco trucks. There's another taco truck over there. Let me see if I could zoom in right there. And so this is actually public park. People actually come here, hang out with the children, and actually barbecue their own food. It's like, I'm not sure he's selling or not, or for his family, but for sure this guy also selling too. Oh, he's selling Jamaica food. How cool is that? That is so cool. E and D. Some of them they have like set up for you to sit and eat when you buy the food. And then all the cloth right here is like a vendor cloth. And this lady is also selling something also, and people are playing in the pot. We're gonna go eat under the ship right there, cause I don't wanna go there and there are kids. And then people, the children, they're barbecuing, they're doing birthday party. So it looked like this if I turn around. I did a shortcut. I go that way and I go around. People set up like maybe 5, 6 in the morning. The guy said, the older guy said that I'm tired. I've been here all day. If you could just buy everything for $20, which is so cool. So I get everything for $20. Okay, let me see what I have. And I forgot to bring my the one to car and sit down. So should we eat in the car? Cause it's kind of wet in here. Yeah, so we're just gonna.
Oh, I have a bag.
You wanna sit out here? Okay, we gotta sit out here and eat, enjoying the weather. And this is what we got so far. So I spent total of. I let you guys know how much I spent. So we spent total $88 total. And this is what we got for $88. Mainly vegetable and corn. We got some taco, and he give us free drink, and those 2 drinks are $20 each. This one is Paradise Blue, and this one is a sugar cane with calamari. I'm gonna try this. And the 3 taco. Okay, let's eat and drink. I'm not sure I'm supposed to mix. Let me see. Oh my goodness. So good. This one is sugar cane. Let's see how sugar cane tastes. Ooh, I taste the sugar cane. I taste the calamari. And the 3 taco look like this. Let me see. Oh, crunchy. So good. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye bye. Taco, yummy, bye. Hello, Longisa. I am in. Hello, Longisa. I am in Stockton, enjoy Cruz, and I got some Mexican food. 3 taco for $10. So good. This 2 drink is like $20. Only 9 and 10. So good. Coconut, dragon fruit, mango, sugar cane, and calamari. Wow, so good. Thank you. And I spent about $100 total. No, actually $88. But with my gas and toll bit, $100. Thank you. Bye bye.